This is the 2021 Cannondale Topstone 2 Neo, and as the name suggests, it is the electric version of the Carbon Topstone 2 we bike checked a couple of weeks ago. The features include a ballistic carbon frame with removable 500 watt Downtube battery and Bosch Performance Line CX drive unit with 85 Nm of torque. Shifters are Shimano Grx 800 2x11. Full carbon fork with a 12x110 through axle Shimano Grx hydraulic brakes. Drivetrain is also mainly Shimano Grx with a FSA Bosch e-bike 4832 crankset, Grx 810 Shadow rear derailleur and a 105 11-speed 1134 cassette. Kingpin suspension system. Seat post is a full carbon Promax SP 9032 with a fabric saddle. The cockpit comprises of a set of C3 6061 alloy bars and a Bosch Keo display and mode selector. If you want any further information regarding this bike, then please leave a comment below or contact the store directly. As always, please give us a like, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.